Hello, everybody out there, land of YouTube, or whoever's watching, wherever. So, low battery mode. 20% battery. Well, I built this retaining wall about 6 months ago. That's when I finished. Natural stone steps. They actually feel really nice to walk up. All of these boulders I harvested off the property. You can see up in the distance, hillside, they're everywhere back there. So we used this natural resource to build some big boulder retaining walls. And some of these things, 25,000 pounds. I was moving them with my 85,000 pound excavator, and it was having trouble. Reason for our visit today is we're trying to fix this road up for them a little bit. You can't really tell, maybe you can, but it's steep. It's real steep. So there's some more of my boulder walls, overgrown. Anyway, putting in all this riprap up the ditch that I built, drainage swale. Down to a little pond. It's really more of a sediment catch than anything, because they've also had trouble with sediment building up down here, washing away. But either way, we'll walk back up here. I can show you some more of my boulder walls. These ones, it's hard to see just how big some of these things are, but that one right there, a couple of boulders stuck underneath it. There's about 3 of them that are about the size of a Ford Explorer up there. So it's a fun project. It's all starting to grow in. Fall's here. So that's that. Back to work, everybody, and get this done.